Ay, ang sa video ko na ulit. Hello, welcome back. I used to say welcome back. So I never used to say. Do you think we need more lights?
I don't
No.
know.
Okay, nga side audio fail oigre ko. So she's my friend Martha Awungshi. Awungshi, right?
Yeah.
Martha Awungshi ne. And then Amasu Doha de laibane na koy ma'am na hana urambasyu ay. She's a big star.
How are you going to introduce? Stop there. I need to stop her.
Yeah, she's a big star.
No. Stop there.
No, I'd like to introduce the music video. She just launched one. What is the name?
Imui love.
Guys, okay, I'm gonna add that link on the description ko after this description the eto okay, you should check out the music video okay magi album ama shembane. So that's Tangkul. Right. Yeah, Tangkul Gine. And so it's a good news for the Tangkul community. You get to see a beautiful lady.
And also she's the one who helped me with the videographer and everything.
I tried many times. Yeah. But anyways, it's a learning process ko. Maming kay kau game am ay si haigadub ne Martha Awungshi. Ado maso Doha da laipane. So how long you are here in Doha?
It's been like 5.5 years now.
5.5 years sure ma Doha da laibase.
Lire Doha.
Doha da likre. No, but there are many people no who have lived for like 10 years ko. Yeah. And so how is your life in Doha so far?
So far so good. And yeah, Doha is a good place. So with good people around. So it's nice.
Ado mi kay na hai ba how safe Doha is?
It's very safe.
In terms of what and what is not safe?
Very safe as in you can go anywhere when like anytime. Kiba khotpa du kemta later. So like even if you go out alone, you are safe.
Okay. Insecurity like na tra.
Oh.
And how is the transportation? Like what are the assurance ko safe oy hai basin ang kamay na chat ke transportation sing what do you use usually in general?
Uber.
Taxi,
yeah.
So taxi, so they have different types of taxis like meter da chatpa sulai ko, and then also there are a lot of applications. And before you start your trip, ako suppose Uber, ako man India di Ola season ko. Uber say sida use to matam what I do mostly. I am always engaged with a phone call or some me mga dito in touch like ganito na ko. So before I start my trip, I can share the trip. I get trip to share to via ko. So I have sent my trip if I am suspected because if the driver looks creepy, sometimes most of the drivers say they're from Bangladesh, Pakistan, then Philippines and African. It's not I don't trust them. It's just like I own safety now. That's the kind of practice I always do. I always send share the ko trip to. Yeah, so people can track ay karay mapada chatli karay why the tauri, and then also ay na share tauri ba mi do na they can see the car number and the driver details. So that's how one safety practice. And what about the expenditure? Is it like too pricey comparing with other countries or India?
Doha, boy, it's kind of expensive, but mo gisi da yinga di kai ko adubo kitang di dong if you cannot manage monthly wise but na manage to dirty sometimes adum wadi but
okay,
it's good.
Do mase the aviation da lay bane cabin crew ne ko mayam na so kangbiram da bayay. So she has a lot of flying experience aduduna taseng na sige mapham sida crew oiraga lay bahay base we don't stick in one place ko aduduna it's like kind of adjustment. We have to adjust wherever we go. Aduna sige lam singa ta tang haibadi yade dubu aina agi aviation to topa thabak toroga laiba matam dadi I know the value on and the expenditure. I started calculating and all this counting. Adubu before that when I was a crew lam amadagi ama chatpanina there are more places haidi Manipur dagi Qatar dagi hen expand sip oiba mapam am laibanina. I will not say this is expensive ko, and also crew oiragadi koina rent fee su thidena ko. So this is how. And job opportunities, do you have any scope adinang scope di labra or what are the plans? People want to know Kevin crew oiba to akanda kay tawgani high questions that they always ask.
Kevin ko to order yung chala garden farmer all.
No,
Yeah,
that's a good thing.
Yeah,
I have the same
I
plan.
want it.
I have the same plan. I di hozi yum da toga I su farming to ningi ba. It's very good because we
Yeah, it's kind of interesting these days.
interesting
Yeah.
also, and the unaramo who is akoy nene se kanano kaygino haba madamda akoy na mapam mayam chaturaga su explore tawraga su khwaidagi productivity or khwaidagi I mean like, what do you say afaba thabak se kaino haba madamda plantations or this agriculture terms in a hena yam important oiba and also good scope oiba haitare ko adi permaculture tambiraga lao permaculture se kay do no I don't know about this. Yeah, so masu adum sige plan sila ko aisu aigi plan hairagadi aisu Manipur to Okanda because since we have the experience of hospitality other than ID like botanical garden ko like also agriculture su to ba on the other side cafe
Yeah,
restaurants
yeah.
so this is my dream plan. I'm not sure also I want to start up institute ko hospitality management ki institute sa tawning so let's
You can,
yeah. I
We
mean, this
always
is
have plan B, C also.
For Indian Doha the job to basi kaya ge haba matamda any job you can apply ko ado aina job thiba matamda one thing you have to be always active in online qatarliving.com haina ko www.qatarliving.com ama leire aduga Indeed application da changa su yare aduga Glassdoor haina sigumba application job ki anywhere apply dum to biyo do Indian gi oina di makhoi gi sigi lam sidagi visa se moina provide to bada easy oibanina so lots of Indian akhoi gi whole Qatar da makhoi na population count over matam the Indian citizens na khwaidagi highest population oi ko ratio se yam yami Indian oina aduna so it means anyone can come here. So you guys can carry on anything you would like to us to talk any specific coming ba lairaga su dum hairo a worldwide permaculture to ba hongnarakle. I'm having a miso soup. Ayun yung pidyo na tombiramba.
Oh, where's she from?
Japan. She's nice. She cooked always good food.
Crazy.
Hello?
To speak in English or Hindi, yaar. Hindi से हम फंसा बने अगी हिंदी तो एक ही दिन है आई वो फ्लाइट था मरा नंग हिंदी से ना अनु आई ऐसे नो पना आई हिंदी से ना वो तो मैं याम नो इवा
Karamba district I know che tampa na tabi ama say.
ऐसे तंखुल मुचानी तंखुल मुचानी
Tangkul majane so tangkul se karay mapada tage nang haidokre no I was about to ask the question. Okay, so guys the ma guest man Manipur gine and she's tangkul ne tangkul community ne doraga di kai karay wai dagi area dagi oigani tangkul se Manipur gi karambag mafam da kwai dagi hena tage ma'am. Okay, start commenting kanana chumge habado yenge. Ado ay nga say habado ne I don't get much time to make the videos and upload ko ado na this is the real topic andam I don't know. Is it this?
ay ko hindi ko
Is it? So this is the good
Ay,
opportunity. Okay, okrul chan pangabam okrul. Oh, I don't understand nothing.
I think this is our first time together.
Yeah, this is the
going
first
live.
time.
Yeah.
Exactly. Although I always wanted to go for video shooting and also adum tadi chatting bane ba magaso because there are a lot of Manipuri beautiful ladies here. I wanted to show and I wanted to know you how they go through, how they come here, how they reach this level. Adubo the timings are not really matching.
Yeah.
So today she's coming to visit me for the first time in my house.
We didn't even plan, right?
Yeah,
I
exactly.
just call her and then
yeah,
I
plan
asked her
are
where
always
she.
fill.
Yeah.
Unplanned is always good to catch up. Um, So whatever you have any doubt how she got through the job and how she is struggling the challenge. Okay, they were asking what is the most challenging part in Arab country because
I haven't faced such because everybody knows like English.
yeah,
So yeah, and most of the people they are Indian wherever you go, Filipino, all multicultural. So
yeah,
so far, I don't think there's much challenges regarding about the food. We get food like whichever destination Asian country. If you go to Asia, you get food that we eat, especially the vegetables and everything. And whoever goes home, they bring back. I
yeah.
mean, they bring all the food that we want.
Right.
So yeah.
um, yeah, we are in the middle of the globe Thaitare. So it's easy access for everyone, anyone. They have they brought all the essential, even starting from Yongcha, Umurok, then
I have stock
Ngari.
of Yongchak Maru.
Yeah. Common people naman na Doha da koi balak pa je 1 month muki lay di paisa je chak thok cha sen kaya mong changgani hai Bijita common. Okay, so depending 1 month muglak bahay basa. How to describe this for traveling? First of all, without your flight ticket or with ticket ko aduga for nangi flight ticket to go hotel duga di you know better yourself because you can Google it which hotel which kind of standard you are looking at from lower, medium, and high luxury. And most of the hotels are expensive here, but you can manage because you may find some cheaper hotels. And for the flight is you have the option Indian career lay na kwa Indigo lay Asia,
Vistara.
SpiceJet, Vistara, they all fly. Not only Qatar Airways because if you go for Qatar Airways it might be the
Little bit
expensive kwa.
expensive. Yeah.
Aduduna go for the flight and then aduga nangi chaba thakpa di you have to manage like how you want to because one thing eating gi hairagadi amuk restaurant da charagadi amuk su tangba yai ko
Mimi na college iti
how much you eat adune aduga chabay matang haragadi if you are not hungry you don't need to eat but not the constipated one. If you are constipated you will never feel hungry. I mean what my point is eat only less food, the healthy, the high nutrient food, then you don't need to eat a lot. Now, no magi chabam thokpa like carbs, protein, fats. If you eat one time, that's more than enough. If you're eating all the shits, then you will feel hungry all the time because your body is not getting that in nutrients. So this is how our body
lecture.
works.
I guess I think it's out.
I know, but if you are really considering yourself to be healthy with a minimum amount of money, adu gi poto ni ba
Yeah,
ko?
yeah.
So this is called like healthy in a budget way. Adu dun. So this is what I do. I mean, I try to minimize my expenditure in terms of food. So I go for shopping in big supermarket, and I go for the vegetables. Vegetable amacharaga, it's better, a lot better than ordering from restaurants. Restaurant food things here, there is a lot of unsaturated fats, dugumba oily stuff and all, and which is not getting enough nutrients in your body. Otherwise you will feel sick if you keep eating all the unhealthy and junk food ko. Other than chak su hen lam gani.
It's like asking you a normal person trip.
Okay. Asking for a normal person trip
A month.
Okay, let's start. Okay, kanoma okay, approximately mapasi ba ko flight ticket kap thokro aduga nangi hotel gido, so do it by yourself. So nong mada chabagi oirase ko. Okay, first transportation is easy here because they have a new system of metro the chatpe ko. Metro is only 2 riyals for anywhere wherever you go because inside transition lay ko platform ama dinama bo. So 2 riyal means 40 rupees in INR ko. Aduduna 40 rupees one day da. But there are few places which you can access and the metro yaudaba mafam lay ko. So most of the places metro link na bus amalay aduda su chat pa yare. Aduga metro used to be by Uber minimum say 8 riyal ko. 8 riyal means 160 dagi hawe ko. Aduga another taxi transport of system amagalay called Karwa. Sisna 10 riyal dagi hawe. 10 riyal means 200 rupees. So this is the lowest minimum wherever you want to go. Sis na sige price is starting o na gani. So it means nang 1 manda nung tigi Uber say minimum price sa high robo ko. 8 rupees 8 to the 16 na tra 160 into 20 rupees high roba nang no magi chathok sa sin ko. Adumaya karwa season at pagi laire. Aduga chaba se
Doha currency. See.
Ako'y INR Doha gi lupa 1 real ga India gi 20 rupees ka adumai approximately 2021 19 si ahum sila dum up down sa dum like ko.
Yeah, if you want to enjoy Doha, like 2 lakhs in a month, you can like enjoy
in a month. Because the activities or the place here are everything is expensive. Like, see, for somebody 2 lakhs is not expensive, it's not a big money. For some people it's a big money. So
true.
it depends how you want to adjust. And so you will get the varieties of eating adi kugi chabagi facilities later ko aduna you can go from low cost to high one. So it's up to you. As a high you have to deduct your flight fare and your laibagi hotel gido kaido kraga chabagi lemhoba singdo. And also the new system, if you are planning to come in Doha, 6-month health insurance is mandatory. You know that?
No.
So any expat sida layriba mi khudingmak natraga koiba lakpa mi khudingmak, they have to have health insurance for 6 months mandatory.
My God.
So this is one thing, yes. So 6 month gi health insurance ama you have to enroll yourself to buy any register in the other oigadabo ko. I would like to work in Doha, Jay. Seriously, yes. I searched my name on YouTube and your channel came, so I started following you. Oh my God, that's good. Can you please add what's your friend name? Her name is Martha Awong Shikwa. Okay, nang ori sabira mo.
Martha goes like.
So, yeah, talk.
I am very bad. Yeah, I don't know what to talk.
It's okay.
Nakaisa to no.
I kitchen check it. I will make cappuccino for you. Or what?
Yeah.
Coffee, cappuccino,
Ising take no.
I'll make nice cappuccino.
Thank you. Ay ukruda gine. Ngange. Oh my God, I don't know what to talk. I'm so bad with this. Yeah. I'm from Okru, but born and brought up in Imphal. Langol da Lairame. Tate kay ngang do ino khang de ba mai se ai adui ne. To zai lam zarang. Technology no era money.
I'm a master in cappuccino.
Okay, I know.
You don't need to read
No.
one by one. You can just start talking, start explaining your experience, as a cabin crew and.
Alay mo nang site mom ta. I think I know you.
Start the video topic.
I don't know what topic to talk. Nice to meet you too. Thank you. कोई आता है ना सही से ऐसी हाय बोलती है. I say I'm a cabin crew too. I gaming Marta can. Thank you. What to say in Tangku? Masih satu orang di mana yang ngandu ini kan? Koi tak sadri. Tak say ina mama lay about family ama, so I think we are going there or shoot might. Tangku now ko. Technology. Thank you, Nalba. Talk a bit about me. So let me introduce myself again because somebody's saying to talk about me. I'm Martha. I'm here for like almost 5.5 years now. And what else? Tangku Machani, Manipur Ladies. Hmm. Doha numit tadri pung ahunga minute tarada ngairi. Doha di ting na numitay pung mga makai duay na. Mga das tadri da. Pung ahunga minute tara. 2.5 hours difference la even.
Sugar palm, right?
No.
I don't like sugar.
Yeah, she's my favorite too. Thank you. Special one from Tam.
I think I took this cookie. You like cookies?
No, I haven't tried also. It's okay, Tam. Thank you. Technology ne hui se. Thank you, people. I'll call Tam soon. Tam, lao. She's good in talking. Huh?
We have rice.
Sorry, hi, sir. Sorry, hi.
I have rice. I'm gonna make it. Hello.
Yeah, please talk. I don't know what I'm going on.
Hello
Somebody
everyone.
is saying that you are his favorite YouTuber.
Oh, no doubt. Yeah.
Yeah.
Self-praising. Okay. Let me
Whose friend is this? No doubt. Yeah.
Mashallah. Mashallah. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯔꯣꯝꯗꯗꯤ 5:40 ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯦ 2.5 ꯀꯣ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒ ꯋꯦꯗꯔ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯣꯜꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯋꯤꯟꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯁꯝꯃꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤ and still I'm putting on this AC ꯀꯣ AC on ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡ or ꯑꯍꯤꯡ ꯊꯦꯡꯂꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ early morningꯗꯗꯤ AC is not really required ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ still ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ summer ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ Vindhya Waripam. Adagi, okay guys, amukaso haige. I have started a workshop for all the aspirants ko. Ado mayamna khangingba or workshop attend tawningagadi for this workshop is for the hotel management and the cabin crew aviation gi oina mostly. We always talk about the modules of flying, aduga safety, grooming, how to attend the interview, sigumba basic essential mayam requirement mayam se koina share taweko. We conduct a class like 4 days in a week and this whole workshop is for 5 weeks and we charge 5,000 INR. So this is not a certification course or something, but we give you all the essentials requirements of being a candidate in the interview before you go for the institute or before you go for the interview. This is gonna be a very helpful tips and guidance from all the certified experienced trainer sing ngakta ne akoina tawbase. So if you're really interested to participate in this workshop, you can put down your comment and my team will contact you. And what else and regarding the nutrition programs for the nutrition, if you want to go for the nutrition, you can google tamfasana. Just write my name, you will see in the google headlines. Before hanadi youtube ki thombane, but since this nutrition is my latest career so you will find my name, pro coach tamfasana. So which that is my website. And also once you have subscribed my nutrition plan subscribe the matamda, automatically I will give you the access of mobile application. I have my mobile application link with my website. So once you become my clients, then only you can access to the mobile application. That is one another thing. So mostly I help people for losing weight and gaining muscle mass. It's like more into body recomposition haitare. And you know it better why people wants to lose weight. So if you have any plan to lose your weight in a short time without any supplements, without body movement, I mean, there will be a body movement, of course. The exercise is required, is must. Adubu, it's more into behavior change haitare. So my body composition plans haitare, fat lose or weight reduce plan is based on behavior change. It's like changing life, right? You have decided to change your appearance or your life, so it means you have to change your behavior. So automatically this is the one. So I help these people, for the people, and for my client as well. So if you want to go for this plan, you can comment here, pro coach or nutrition, something like, which I can figure out easily who wants to be my clients. And regarding the charges and fee structure, we'll talk later, because everybody has a different goals and time frame. Aduga adumba manadabanina, I charge according to the plans. Uh, on my website, you may find in a dollar ko $150 per month, and the per session is $100, something like that. But then it's negotiable, of course, because the dollars is not applicable in India. INR say very less currency, the higher the less oye. So comparing the dollar and the Indian INR, the value is like a lot different. So I charge according to the INR. So we can talk about it later. My friend is Martha Awongshi. Martha, your Instagram account is Martha Awongshi, right? Yeah. I will share the video link of her Magi music video album gi link to. I description the hapake. So I was like a small part of her music video album, and also I will share 2-3 video albums which I was involved in the Doha. I helped like a small part of cinematography. I don't have much experience. It's just like for me, I'm doing by my own, but I try to apply to someone else. But two of my friends, they really like it, and the video was like quite successful as well. Even for her music video was amazing. It's a thankful music video. So thank you so much, guys. I think it's almost like 26 minutes I've been talking here. If you want to know more, you can just comment or whatever you want to see. I think mostly from now on, I will be talking only about the nutritions, and for the aviation workshop, this is the two things which I have initiating currently, and which is very good. And I think I'm doing good, and people like it. I'm grateful about this. So I'll see you soon. I'm planning to come to Manipur soon, maybe this year.
When?
Soon.
I'm
Yeah.
going home to
When? December?
month.
Next month? I might go in December. So Martha is here. Yeah, people are asking where is Martha.
I'm here.
Arabta thabak
You-
tongningaga kay tawba yai habdo khara haibiyo. Pilot or lao.
To
Yeah.
me.
CPL training passed out to all. Amo Darshel, how are you?
I came to Udawan.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Melody sapam
Blind.
Marthaga bye daw na si. Loisilak pa si. Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, guys.
I will bring Martha again.
Yeah.
And also
Always, sometimes.
also for Martha music video, definitely please check out YouTube. You can type Martha Wongshi, I guess.
You guys say.
Yeah. Type Martha. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯔꯥꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦ, ꯔꯥꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯦ. Like there's a lot.
See me, yum.
It's a whole world, yeah. So it's not only what you see, but there's inside a lot of things hidden, the rasis are inside. Let's see, yeah, we will try to explode one day.
At saka piece of atare ni Habibie.
Manipurga mapalom ga karamba hena nungay. Loy nungay Manipurda phangba yung chaki mahawga mapalam da phangba yung chaki mahawga manande. So same like that in living experiences uka. So they both has pros and cons.
Yeah.
So lovely talking to you, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
And thank you for the money. And this is the ugly truth. Okay, by ending of my YouTube talks, okay, I will like to thank you, because you will see a dollar sign. You can send money here also, support, okay, to show the support.
Oh.
The super sticker, super chat. The next time, just know it. And then
I don't
also
know about this.
Yeah, and then now whoever is watching the live, it's contributing a money in my monetization process. So I would love to thank and all the gratitude to everybody. Thank you so much. I love you all. Okay, so we have spent around nearly 30 minutes. So let's say 30 minutes for now. It's not big, but later on they can watch anytime.
Okay,
So it means the live streaming is monetization is happening here.
Mm.
So people are also investing the internet, right?
Yeah.
Charges. So I'm getting money for that.
Oh, so it doesn't matter, live for the so for
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you so much. I have done on my monetization. So whoever, if you see the YouTuber is live streaming, it means they are making money. So just like what I'm doing right now. Thank you so much for that. Something we will Marta is shock. Bye bye.
This is new.
Yeah.
Ayam pain na dia.
Mm.
Ko.